And his name is John Cena. Goodbye.
Okay. Where's your father?
In the bathroom.
Okay.
He's tired of playing with gunpowder.
Yeah, I'm getting bit up, so I'm gonna probably go upstairs, and then I'm gonna knock on that window when it's 11 o'clock, cause it's an ordinance.
Oh, so we can pop him inside.
No, we pop tomorrow. So why don't y'all do the sparklers?
Okay. Well, those are silent.
Huh?
Those are silent.
Yeah, but you need get a flashlight for the sparkler, please.
Lighter.
I mean, yeah.
Can you hold this? I want to see how far I can go.
Okay.
I want to see how far I can go.
Yeah, but can you throw it super far? Yes, I can.
They're super far.
I'll see.
You overdid it.
See, look at this. Look at this. So far.
Good one. Good one.
Look at this. Look how far I can go.
That's why I said sit on the floor.
I was like, I'm not going. It's like disappear on my hands.
Like it was like in the air for a long time.
Same as that. Okay, that was bad.
I didn't see it.
Are you good at chess? I'll pick the red ones. Those ones are better. Red, white, and blue.
They're all the same color.
Okay, but like the
Just the
red
box
ones,
says
the
different.
red ones are better though.
Oh, okay.
And of course, since
You know what? When my back hurts, I feel like y'all going in slow motion and shit.
that's why I said, since y'all have to go inside really quickly, I'm gonna do all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them at the same time.
Careful. But, no, not by the paint shop.
It's done.
By the car, the paint. It's done with that one? Okay, put it back in the thing so we can throw it away.
Because I need the other one. There's another one.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Alright, done.
Oh my god, this time I've been recording.